1993 MR2 made by Toyota. It had an original 5SFE engine in it, which is the 2.2 liter, which has since been converted to a V6, a 1MZ FE out of a Camry. It is a 3 liter aluminum block. Engine seems to run fine, makes okay power. Has been in the car for less than 100 miles, and the used engine that was bought for the car has turned out to have rod knock. Sounds fine at idle. That's all they test at the junkyards. And inside of that, you need to rev up the engine and put just a few miles on it. The junkyard we got this engine from offers warranties, parts, and labor. Here's what rod knock sounds like. Still sounds fine at idle, but it definitely gets rod knock once you move up in the RPMs.